Crawford Greenewalt was a DuPont engineer with significant oversight responsibilities. He was a passionate nature lover, determined to protect the environment. Biologist Ruth Patrick was an ecology pioneer who worked for the Academy of Natural Sciences. She convinced Greenewalt to use a radically new ecosystem approach, and so during the Manhattan Project, DuPont was able to assess the impact of Hanford activities on Columbia River area ecology.
You had to look at the whole ecosystem. You had to look at how the pollution was affecting the organisms they fed on, the place where they lived, the whole picture of what the organisms you wanted, fish, needed in order to live, and how the pollutant was affecting any of these aspects of the natural life of the fish. He made the decree that DuPont would build no plant and start to operate it unless the Academy had first gone in and determined the condition of the river in which they were going to discharge. That was a revolutionary thing in those days. Because of Crawford Greenewalt, DuPont was very conscientious about not discharging anything that would hurt the natural life in the stream. So I would say to him, and he always bought it, we'll have to go upstream. We may have to get 2 or 3 places if the kind of stream is quite different, chemically, physically, in different places upstream, in order to compare when you damage the downstream what it's going to be like. He always bought it. Never once did Crawford Greenewalt say to me that cost too much money. He would question me as to whether it was necessary. What was I going to learn by doing this extra work? But he never said, we can't do it because it costs too much money.